when you're setting broad policy like this, you're also forcing the policy on a massive section of the market that doesn't need it. If I live in California and I rent a $15 or $10 or $25,000 a month house or apartment, should I be limited as to how much money I should pay to secure the lease contract? If I'm at the high end of the market in Los Angeles, and look, Los Angeles and other places in California are very expensive. They're very high end. I don't believe that the politicians are seeking to apply the policy to $10 and $20 and $30,000 a month housing situations, but this policy is going to get applied to them.
Right.
So I don't feel that California gets it right and that other places get it right when they blanket the entire market with a one-size-fits-all policy. Look, if you want to segment out certain buildings that receive subsidies, if you want to segment out certain buildings that receive state or local tax breaks, if you want to segment out those properties that are financed with government loans, that's a fair conversation. Other than that, you got to let the free market be a free market.